Hi there. I know we are all scared, so scared when it comes to budgeting. We think budgeting is like one of those math topic that we just don't want to see again in the exam. But budgeting is not supposed to be, because most of the time when we work, we are working for our money. So how to handle the money shouldn't be difficult. Now, there are so many reasons why we think budgeting is difficult, but in this video, I will show you the reason why budgeting should not be difficult once you understand what you are doing and how to do it. Stay tuned. So before you create a budget, it is important to know where your money is going. So track your expenses for at least 2 months to get a better understanding of your spending habit. So to track your expenses, you can go back and look at the 2 months or 3 months of your bank statement. This will give you an idea about how you spend your money. Okay. Number 2 is to identify your financial goals. When creating budget, having clear financial goal is key. Why are you saving? Think about what you want to accomplish in the short term and in the long term. This will help you a lot. You have a purpose. Number 3 is to make a budget. Once you know where your money is going and you have identified your financial goals, it's time for you to make your budget. Set it right? Make sure to create a budget that is realistic and that allows you to meet your financial goal. Don't go and copy anybody telling you to do 50, 30, 20 rules. That does not concern you. Let your budget be realistic. Okay? Let it be realistic. Number 4, so automate your budget. Set up automatic payment, okay, and transfer. This will help you to avoid a lot of late payment, fees, and it will help you. For example, once you get paid, transfer $200 to your savings account. This is on your way to build your emergency fund. You see? Automate it. Now, my 5th and final is to monitor your budget and adjust it as needed. Budget should be a living document. Monitor your budget regularly, adjust it as needed. So once you monitor your budget and you adjust it, you will be able to track and meet your financial goals. If you are interested in learning more about budgeting, stay tuned. I want you to comment on your favorite or the budget method that you think is best for you. Comment, like, and share this video. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.